Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to reinstall the Windows on your PC. So if your PC is already running and you want to reinstall the Windows again, so what you can do is you can just go to the Start menu and go to the Settings. And within the Settings, you can go to System, and within the System, you can scroll down and choose the option Recovery. So here there are different options to recovery. One is the straightforward reinstall option, which will automatically reinstall the Windows update and it will keep your files and settings preserved. So if you just click on the reinstall now, it will open up this reinstallation or repair program, which will automatically restart and install the fresh Windows copy on your system. So this is one way, and the second way is to reset this PC, which will automatically reset your PC, and it will have two options where you can remove everything, or if you want to keep the files and installation as it is, you can choose that, and then you can just reset the PC. So this is the second way. Now the third way is using the advanced startup, where you can just go into the advanced startup mode and you have the option to reset the Windows from the recovery drive or using the USB. Now these are three easiest options. Now if your PC is not starting at all and you want to install a new copy of Windows, in that case what you need to do is you need to restart your system, and then you can boot into the boot manager, where you have to have the USB stick already burned with the latest Windows copy, and you can install using that particular USB drive with the fresh Windows. These were some of the easiest way to install or reinstall the Windows on your PC. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.